Hi friends, now we will discuss about one of the national awards, Bharat Ratna. Bharata Ratna. The highest civilian award in India is Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna award started in 1954. In 1954, Bharat Ratna award started by Government of India. This award is given to persons' contribution in the field of, and this award actually given in 5 categories, 5 fields. One of the categories is science and technology. Science and technology, literature, arts, music, and science, music and literature, arts, music, and social service. So arts, in arts, that sports comes under arts category. Okay, now then here till now this award is presented to 45 famous personalities. This award is presented to 45 famous personalities till now. This award is the first persons received Bharat Ratna in 1954. The first person received Bharat Ratna in 1954 are 3 persons. One is Chakravartula Rajagopalachari, and second person is Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, and third person is C.V. Raman. Chakravartula Rajagopalachari is the first person received this award in social service category. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, first vice president, became first vice president, received this award. C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkatraman, this person is a famous scientist. He also won Nobel Award in physics category in 1930 for his Raman effect experiment, and the first scientist received Bharat Ratna in 1954, C.V. Raman. Till now, how many scientists received this award? Like question, till now, how many scientists received this award? 1, 2, 3, 4 scientists. The right answer is here 3. Till now, 3 scientists received this award. First one is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, first scientist received Bharat Ratna. And the second person, that is the missile man of India. And the first scientist became President of India. His name is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is the second scientist received this award. First person C.V. Raman, second scientist APJ Abdul Kalam, and the third scientist for the year of CNR Rao. For the year of 2013, CNR Rao, Chintamani Nagesha Ramachandra Rao received Bharat Ratna for the year of 2013 along with our god of cricket Sachin Tendulkar. So till now, here the right answer is, till now how many scientists received Bharat Ratna, means here right answer is 3 persons, 3 scientists. And the first prime minister received Bharat Ratna in 1955. His name is the first Prime Minister of India. His name is Nehru. Nehru got Bharat Ratna in 1955. And the first Prime Minister received Bharat Ratna, also Nehru. Now tell me the right question is here. How many Prime Ministers of India received Bharat Ratna? How many Prime Ministers of India received Bharat Ratna? The options are here 6, 5, 7 or 4. Here the right answer is here 7 Prime Ministers of India received Bharat Ratna so far. The first Prime Minister is Nehru, and the 7th Prime Minister is very important person, our competitive examination. His name is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So this is about the Prime Ministers who received, the Indian Prime Ministers who received Bharat Ratna. And till now, Government of India, this award Bharat Ratna announced and presented to 12 persons posthumously. 12 persons posthumously means here after the death. The first person got Bharat Ratna posthumously or after the death in 1966. His name is Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the first Prime Minister of India, received this award after the posthumously after the death. His famous saying is there, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. And the Lal Bahadur Shastri, the first Prime Minister of India who died in foreign country. So, and the 12th person got Bharat Ratna after the death for the year of 2014. His name is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya is the 12th person. Our examination concerned, this is very important. So then after these persons after the death, 12 persons got this award after the death. And how many foreigners received Bharat Ratna so far? How many foreigners? Till now, 2 foreigners received this award so far. The first person is here, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He received this award for the year of 1987. He is a foreigner. He belongs to our neighbor country. He is a Pakistan. He got this award in social service. He also called as his title is there. The Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan title is Frontier Gandhi. Frontiers Gandhi. And the second person is Nelson Mandela. The second foreigner received Bharat Ratna is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela got this award for the year of 1990. He is a South African. And the first black person became President of South Africa, Nelson Mandela. So about Nelson Mandela, the people of South Africa called him as a Madiba. He spent 27 years in jail during the South African freedom movement. He spent 27 years. The name of the jail is Robben Island Jail. That is in South Africa. He worked as a President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. South Africa people celebrated April 27 as Freedom Day of South Africa every year. So the autobiography of Nelson Mandela is The Long Walk to Freedom. Our examination point of view, who wrote Long Walk to Freedom? The autobiography of Nelson Mandela is important. Autobiography of Nelson Mandela is Long Walk to Freedom. Recently passed away. He passed away on December 6, 2013. So this is about Nelson Mandela. Till now, 2 foreigners received Bharat Ratna so far. One is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and the second person is Nelson Mandela. These are 2 persons. And now we will discuss about the women who received Bharat Ratna so far. Till now, 5 women received Bharat Ratna so far. 5 women. They are the first woman, Indira Gandhi, the first woman received Bharat Ratna for the year of 1971. Indira Gandhi, the first woman and the one and only woman Prime Minister of India till now. And also in the world where she is the second woman Prime Minister in the world. The first woman Prime Minister in the world in a country was Sirimavo Bandaranaike for Sri Lanka country. Here the first woman received Bharat Ratna, Indira Gandhi, for the year of 1971. She was doing memorable service or remarkable service to India. In 1969, July 19, she nationalized 14 banks. She gave excellent slogan about the poverty, Garibi Hatao. The slogan Garibi Hatao given by Indira Gandhi. And she started 20 points program in 1975. She again nationalized in 1980, April 15, she again nationalized 6 banks. Under the leadership of Indira Gandhi, according to the recommendation of Shivaraman Committee, In 1982, on 1982 July 12, NABARD started, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. In 1984, on 1984 October 31st, she assassinated by Satwant Singh Bigyan Singh. So this is about Indira Gandhi. The graveyard, the tomb name of Indira Gandhi, Shakti Sthal. So Indira Gandhi, this is about Indira Gandhi. And after Indira Gandhi, the second woman received Bharat Ratna in 1980. Her name, it signifies is a famous service in India. Her name is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. The second Indian woman received. Actually, Mother Teresa born in Yugoslavia, but she got Indian citizenship. She also received Nobel Peace Award in the year of 1979. Mother Teresa actual name, the original name of Mother Teresa, Agnes Gonisha Bojakshu. So Mother Teresa got this award for the year of 1980. And after Mother Teresa, the third woman received Bharat Ratna, Aruna Asaf Ali for the year of 1997. Aruna Asaf Ali is a social activist and a freedom fighter. Once he led the Quit India movement in 1942. A remarkable service in Quit India movement. She referred as a Queen of Quit India movement. Queen of Quit India movement. Aruna Asaf Ali got this award posthumously. The first woman received award posthumously was Aruna Asaf Ali. The question is here, the first woman received Bharat Ratna. The right answer is Indira Gandhi only. The first woman received posthumously was Aruna Asaf Ali. That is very important our examination point of view. And the fourth woman received Bharat Ratna is a famous musician, famous Karnataka musician. Her name is M.S. Subbulakshmi. M.S. Subbulakshmi received this award for the year of 1998. She is a famous Karnataka musician. And the fifth woman received Bharat Ratna. Her name is famous singer. His name is Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar received this award for the year of